everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's a weekend edition. If you could do us a huge favor and smash that like and subscribe button for us, because it's hot and I'm sweating, and that just helps us get our content out there to the world. So thank you so much. Enjoy the episode. I think
okay, good morning. Happy Friday. Happy Finish Strong Friday. We did not do any scrapping last night. We hung out with a friend, so no scrapping happened. I didn't get up early enough this morning to go do that. Just kind of So today I think I finally tracked down the belt for the lawnmower, and we got to go check on a mail call, and I may have to go to my mom's house. So busy day. We'll try to keep you. Okay, we're here. We got an Iowa, and then I'm not showing you the other one. And then we have the Titusville Playhouse. That must be just a local thing. We'll recycle that. Sorry, there was all kind of crazy going on up in here when I was walking in. So somebody walking in with a recorder, like a flute. So it was all kind of craziness. Anyway, 2 postcards. Louisiana state flag. Look at that, I should have known that. That's an interesting state flag. Very cool. Louisiana, that's the furthest south we've been. And Iowa, nice. All right, we'll read these to you later. Okay, so we're out here at Ace, and I am in Deltona, which is like 45 minutes from the house. But they got the one, I think. I'm hoping. I don't know exactly. Oh my goodness, I put you guys right there about 3 hours ago. And then it was like I just went off into my own little world. Hey, look, we cut the grass. We cut the grass, so we'll have a short coming out, but we got her all up and running. We got her working. We that blade that we bought at Home Depot or Ace, wherever we went, that belt, guess what? Not the right belt. Had to go back to Tractor Supply again. It ended up being a 67-inch belt. Goodness. And we had to buy the generic belt because they just didn't even have the right belt for the... what a nightmare. But we got it, so... Oh, and there's a big old storm coming in. And we got Ava duty today, so we will be picking her up. All right, well, that's our Friday, really. Actually, we have a call in a little bit where we're gonna go get some stuff, so... Okay, good morning and happy Sunday. Somebody left us some stuff next to the trailer, which we always like that. Happy Sunday. I know I keep getting on here and telling you guys, oh, we're not gonna go out on Sunday mornings, blah 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 blah, and yet here we are. That Sunday mornings weren't great. I don't know what that guy's talking about. I will take a dryer just like this on a Sunday morning any day of the week. We're going into a team lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Team lift to start a Sunday fun day. Oh, and somebody told me something in the comments that hit me like a brick. I don't even know if I answered it yet, but team lift, the comment was, team lift isn't just about picking stuff up. And I gotta say, it hit me like a sledgehammer. Like, wow, no, you're right, it's not just about picking stuff up. It's about helping each other out. It's about the community that we're building. So for me, that was like, wow. My head exploded. All right, look at that metal bottom chair. See what's in some of this stuff. Maybe some toys. There's some wire. I'm not in it for those toys.
take that. These are like brand new. $10.50. Those will fit me. Yeah. Is that what we're doing? Scoring some new shoes. Are these new too? You got another pair of those in there? Yeah, you sure do. And they look new. What else we got? I'll pass on those. Alright, we got some shoes so far. Remember, it's Sunday morning. We're not trying to be all crazy. And we're out really early, so it's not even 8 a.m. Well, probably by now it's 8. When we left the house, it was almost 8. It's a good one. That wire is all coaxial. That isn't. That we could be okay with that. But the other stuff's just going in the tin pile, baby. Everywhere I look on this one, there's just more stuff popping up. More stuff, more stuff. Yeah, I think that's about it. This is what we got for toys to add to our bin full of toys. And we got our chair and stuff. Where are you gonna go? Come on, don't do that. Right on the way home. Right on the way home. We like that. I wonder if old Jeffrey would let me bring that whole thing to him just like that. This whole thing. I mean, it's already going in as dirty, so why would I even clean it? Take the faucet off and be done with it. Sounds like a pretty good deal to me. All right. Yeah, ever since I've been doing it that way, life is a lot easier. I like it when life is a lot easier. Some nice umbrella action. Oh, this thing's heavy. This is a heavy one. I think we're gonna have to go dump. We're right next to the house, so we had gotten the stuff way up front on Friday. I don't even know if I filmed it. I probably didn't. But that's not too bad. If we would have got this like a whole morning, I guess, it would be good. Maybe we could sell the dryer. I don't know about that one, but this one don't seem too bad. I could use a good life vest when I go kayaking and stuff. Sweet. Check another thing off the list. All right, I think this is our first little round of dumpster diving. But I just can't let these, look at that, we can't let that just go in the trash. Oh no, that is not a thing. Oh, look at that, there's another one. Nice. Oh, is this all the same one? I think so. She's a bad mamma jamma. Ooh. We'll take that aluminum weight. Just make sure there's nothing else in there. I've been watching them as they're like pulling this roof off. There is. Going on that other side. Every time I drive down the road, I'm trying to see if they put any metal in there. Yep. I don't think they were using this. Oh, dude. Just don't stop. It don't stop. I like it. We are gonna get some rain. Look at it, it's coming. Look at that thing. All right. Well, you seen it. I don't know what is going on. Let's strap this thing down and I'm gonna be on my way. Okay, so anybody who don't know, I have two phones. I have a personal phone and I have my business phone, right? Okay, look, 10 a.m., 10%, 20%, no rain, no rain. So if I'm an Apple user, I got no rain this afternoon. But if I'm an Android user, look, I have a 64% chance of rain at noon. I mean at 6, and I mean at noon, yeah, and at 1 I have a 60% chance, but here there's no rain at all. So I'm gonna go with this one. And the possibility of light rain, then grab an umbrella because thunderstorms are possible after 12, but not if you're on an iPhone. All right, we just got back. We cleaned out a couple things on the side, and now we're just gonna unload this whole little thing right in there. right, well, that's the end of first run. We'll call it first run of the day. Boom. That's where we're at. A couple of appliances, that big thing of aluminum. It looks like a hefty little pile. I don't know how big it is, but it looks the part, so. All right, I think we may wash up that lawnmower, maybe, or maybe just go right back out. I don't know. I gotta see what time it is. So we'll be back in a few. Okay, we're actually waiting for a call to come in, but we're gonna do some mail call. What did you get in mail call? Look at that. How beautiful is that? Iowa country. Look at that. That is some beautiful stuff. We enjoy watching your videos. You are a hard worker. Thank you for recycling the scrap and bicycle donations. Happy you can make a little profit from your finds. Enjoy the quote of the day. Take care, Larry and Loretta. Nice. From Newton, Iowa. Medal of Honor. Army Forever USA. Well, Larry, Loretta, if you serve, thank you for your service. We greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate it. How pretty is that? All right. Okay, Newton. See, I think Newton, Massachusetts. That's where I'm from. Ooh, there was a beep. Newton became known as the washing machine capital of the world and was home to a Fortune 500 company, the Maytag Corporation. The community's most distinctive landmark, the Jasper County Courthouse, was built in 1911. Wow, so that's where Maytag started building washing machines in 1893. The company grew into a global brand in Newton, a city of prospering. Maytag closed its doors in 2007. It was a rough transition. Huh. It says Newton is a great place to call home. It's nice, quiet, small town, not much trouble. Everyone is very friendly. Well, good on you. I hope to visit Newton one day. That is very interesting. That was very interesting. I'm glad I looked that up. And the Iowa Speedway is near there. It seems like a pretty cool place to be. Central. It's 30 miles east of Des Moines. It's in central Iowa. It's about 16,000 people in the city. That's so cool. Thank you so much. Now I know where Maytag started, if I didn't already. Okay, here we go. This one is from Louisiana. And it says, thanks for recycling. Lots of reusable things there thrown away. Find homes for as many as you can. Keep up the good work. Work with the other group to find things that need help. Michelle. I can't say your last name. Verwanzlet. I don't know if that was close. I tried. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. This is the state flag of Louisiana. I like it. I like it. Okay, this is from Pineville. The city of Pineville in Louisiana has several sanctioned motorboat races events annually on the lake. It is the distinction of being the location for many world speed records. The lake is often called the fastest lake in the USA. At the west end of the lake is the historic Civil War vintage Fort Burlow. Very cool. It says that it's a small city with nice, friendly people. There are many green acres, and the city frequently wins Cleanest City Awards. Good for you guys! That is so cool. It got its name because of the large number of beautiful virgin pine trees on the rolling hills overlooking the Red River. That is a Cool. Things to do. You got a bunch of museums, some state parks, Lake Burlow, Art Center, History Museum. Very cool. How's it gonna take 4 hours and 20 minutes? Is that driving? That's just flying. One way. That's crazy. Louisiana's like right there. Alright, very cool. Well, that's a mail call. Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. Very awesome. 2 more in the books. Woohoo! So, we are out. What just happened? We just picked up, we just did that little pickup. Oh, so now we're gonna hit, this is kind of like a, I don't know how to describe it. It's a, look at that. I mean, there's plenty of metal on this thing. Between the rods and the wheels and the... Today is a relatively busy Sunday morning. Usually Sunday mornings are. They've not been good for us recently. But this one has not been bad. It's not been bad at all. We got all that aluminum, we got a little dumpster diving. Now we're just hitting up this neighborhood, trying to clip this thing off, get a little bit more, and then we're gonna go dump this and then get ready for the big run. Here we go, we're gonna keep that in there, but we are going out for our last run of the day. Last run of the day, let's fill her up. Okay, this thing's been rolling around. Roll, stop rolling. We didn't bring you in on that. Why? Because I wasn't ready. I wasn't prepared. And I was on a busy street and I just ran out and got it. I said, oh no, I couldn't bring my team with me. All right, look at us go. Look at us go. This is our first little bit. We're actually in our regular neighborhoods that we normally go to, so we'll see how she does today. Fill her right up, I say. Awesome. Yeah, right there, it said it. I agree. Awesome. Little pressure washer. The little number. Rah, team lift. On 3, 2, 1, team lift. Very good. Very good, team. Okay, cut up tub. Makes it a little easier for us. We like easy. We are gonna maybe have to get a strap out. Oh, maybe not. I think we're all right. We're good for right now. Oh yeah. I just wanted to say, oh yeah. Dude, those things do not want to break. Fine. Fine then, you're coming with us. I gotta tell you, pretty excited about the way it's going right now. It has been one neighborhood after the next is just hitting. You know, even if it's not a whole bunch of big stuff, it's stuff. Quantity. Quantity. All right, what am I doing? I'm just kind of spinning this thing around right now. Oh yeah. Sit her up right next to this one. Build a nice little front stack. Building a nice little front stack here. Interesting little Wonder if it's broken. What's going on with it? Didn't stay together. I don't know. I mean, it don't look too crazy. I'm not climbing on it. Huh. I wonder if that's something that we should try to keep with the ladders for a little bit, or just bring it right in. Looks interesting. All right, we'll take this part of it, and we'll leave the rest of it. Boom. Still doing pretty good. I like it. Still in the I like it range, which is good. Still on the hunt for good bins too, and I think this one, yes, this one definitely fits the criteria. Yeah, it's got a little broken thing right there, but we don't need it to strap down, so we are happy with this. Oh, I still haven't donated those yet. Goodness. Hey, and I got this painting from my mom's house. Look at that. It's from 1950. If anybody recognizes that artist, I looked it up. I couldn't find anything on it. Let's go grab this. Let's go grab this stuff real quick. 2 for 1 on the run. Oh, nice. Some nice steel grate. Boom. We got some nice steel going on here. Some aluminum. All good little finds, like this, like that. We take this, that's all metal. What else we got in here? Oh, look at that handle. Another little piece of metal in there. A little piece of aluminum. I'll take that thing too. All down in the muddy water. Very good. And we'll snatch up this bike. Oh yeah. Looks like I ran over. That's a nice little bike. Very cool. Okay, welcome back. I think we got ourselves quite the pickle here. Ah, that thing's way down. I mean, it's good for us, but I just think it's gonna be a test to get it up. I think that part, not really sure how much weight is on there. Shouldn't be too bad. Shouldn't be too bad with you guys and the power of team lift. Yeah, you let that go. Oh, I like that. I like that for sure. We'll pick this. Yeah, we're good right now. We're good. We're in a good cruise mode. What are you talking about, dude? Talking about good cruise mode. What does that even mean? Ow! Oh, that's not that heavy. All right. Things keep checking out for us here. This. Oh, nope, that's it there. But that's all right. Now it's gonna be this. Oh, goodness. I don't even know. I think with this one, we're gonna err on safety and we're gonna break out the hand truck. All right, so we just moved some things around, hopefully to make it fit a little better. Get a little bit more on here. Weather update is that, what does that say? 200 pounds on there? All right. Oh, we still haven't gotten a, it sprinkled earlier, but right now, iPhone looks a little bit more reliable. But it does look, it looks like there's some nastiness on the way. So, we will have to see. All right, what do we got here? Oh, I think thing just fell off. Is that where you look down in right there? Oh, I don't know. I don't know. What am I looking at? Grass? Look up at the stars. Hello, stars. I don't know. Nothing in there. That's probably what this whole thing was in. A different lens or something down there. Interesting. Good enough. You can come with us. You just gotta find a spot for you. Look at us. Look at us go. Big things. Yeah, this is definitely a heavy second load. And guess what? It's starting to rain. So it looks like the Android phone was right over the iPhone phone because the iPhone said it wasn't going to rain at all. And you know what's happening right now? Raindrops are hitting my head. We're getting wet today, folks. No doubt about it. Because we ain't stopping. Ain't gonna be no stopping our game today. No stopping. All right. Let's go. Oh, it really isn't as bad as I thought it would be. Oh, and this is gonna be nice. Nice little cool down. Nice to make things just a little bit slippery. Oh, time. And we got some aluminum. So we'll smash that off in the morning or whenever we bring it in. The real test is going to be seeing if we made a good enough hole here for this thing to go right up in there. That was the goal. Oh, and I think we executed that with great precision. Oh man. All right, we're doing it. Just keep putting stuff in this trailer. I like that. All right, a nice batch of chairs. We are about that life. See if we can't figure a way to get them in here without being all difficult and crazy. Go like this. And then I think we'll take these and do a little upside down action on it. Oh. Boom. Just like that. Or something like that. Strap it down. Yes, 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 y'all. And we don't stop. This run has just been outstanding. I'm not really sure where this is gonna go. It's almost light enough that I can start picking stuff up and throwing it around. Looks like we may have to do something different with these chairs. Yeah, we'll get some fat stacks going. And if we put them in underneath here, bring this around, will it fit in there? I think so. Just slide this over like that. Oh, and then where do these two little things go? We'll, I really want them to go right there. Let's see if that'll work. Let me put this up real quick. Boom, we're in. Got a nice stack going. Nice little stack. Oh yeah. Get that in. Take this thing. Slap that down. All right, a couple straps and we are on our way. Really wanted the Apple phone to win. It does not get rain, but as it sits right now, I'm getting wet. So you lose. Android phone was closer. It had a 60% chance of rain, and we're getting rain. I don't know how I'm gonna get this all in. Well, I do. I'm just gonna have to lift it up. We're gonna have to do one of those famous Junkman 5000 team lift drills. And yes, I call it famous. World renowned, world famous. Wow, oh, I jumped out and grabbed that shark. Thought it was a Roomba. I don't think this thing's gonna be all that heavy. It's just gonna sit right in here. I could probably pick it up and throw it right in there. Oh yeah, fold up, baby. Nice. Go right down in there. Oh, what's all this stuff? Dude, look at the beads. Oh my God. Just bags and bags of beads. What do you do with all that? I mean, look at them all. I don't even know. What do you do with that, those beads like that? Let's snack some. Oh, you're probably gonna tell me you do nothing with them. But I don't know. Seems like you could do a little bit of something with them. All right, let's see where we're gonna put you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Full chaos. Full chaos. And it is raining. But you know what I said earlier. There is no stop pop today. We're going all the way through. Team lift drill. Here we go, yo. Team lift.
Oh boy. This isn't exactly how we planned it. Yeah, there we go. Just because it's not how you planned it, don't mean it don't work. Boy, do I want any more of these beads. What are you gonna do with all those beads? I have no idea. Oh, I was thinking about leaving it and coming back and getting it, but you see where we're at now. That ain't a thing. All right, we're just gonna try picking this thing right up and on and over and up. And maybe if we get really lucky, should just fit right on there. Maybe. It ain't much holding it back. Now can I get my fingers out of there? I can. I can. Oh. What is getting stuck up on there? Oh, because we're not over. Okay. 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 Oh, we're gonna need a bunch of straps. All right, I think overall, I think that's a win. I think we're claiming victory on this one, folks. All right, hey everybody, that's a day. That is a whole day. Actually, not a whole day. We're going back out now, but it's gonna be on a different video. You gotta tune in tomorrow if you wanna see that video. So happy Monday to you. Hope you're having a great day. That's it, that's a weekend. I don't know how much of this we used. It looks like almost 2 hours of footage that we recorded. We recorded a lot today. We've been going at it. So we got one more load to do. Want to say a big thank you to you. Appreciate you guys. Means more to me than you know. Thank you in all the comments. Thank you for all the support. Really appreciate it. That's what the real team lift is right there. You know, community lifting each other up. So thank you all so much. Hope you have a great day. Thanks again. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. There is no us without you. Team lift is more than just physical. I like that. I think I like that. So y'all take care of one another. I appreciate you stopping by. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate all the support. And we will see you on the next one.